I'm going to be showing you how to create a Google form. So it's really easy, so let's get right into it. Just go ahead and open the app first. Make sure you've downloaded through Play Store or App Store. If you're using a phone, if you're using a web browser in your PC, then just go to that website. Since I'm using iPhone, you can see right there, Forms. Let's go ahead and open it. I'm using the app version, and after you're here, you should see something like this. Just look at the top right where you can see this plus icon right next to the three dot button. Just go ahead and tap on the plus icon. Now you have options to either create a form or create a new folder. Just go ahead and tap on create form, and now just write down the title of your form, write down description about your form. You can try adding questions right here. Write down description, write down if it's required or not. You can add images, you can duplicate them. You can also try importing questions. And after you've done that, you just need to look at the top right where you can see the three dot button. Just tap here, and now you have options to save form, publish the form, save as PDF, print, or delete. So it's completely up to you what you want to do. If you want to publish it, you need to be on the premium, or you can use the free trial. So it's completely up to you, and there you go. That's how you create Google Form. I hope this video was helpful for you. Please leave us a like and drop us a comment down below, and we'll see you again in our next video. Thank you for watching.